Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of my Let's Play of MekHQ. So, we have a surgeon. Okay, perfect. This guy got hurt. He got a purple heart for it though, so we're gonna go back to let's check the hangar real quick. We still need a gunner. So vehicle gunner. Let's check, see if we have vehicle gunner. We have a vehicle driver, and I'm somewhat tempted to hire him because, you know what? Why not? He's reliable, and you know, we can always use an extra vehicle or or whatnot. Mech Warrior. This guy is or this woman is okay. But anyways, we're not gonna hire anymore. We're just gonna go to repair bay. We're gonna go check out that undamaged Griffin. 2. Why is this? How did this get damaged? I'm not sure I remember how it got damaged. I don't know. How did this thing get damaged? I don't understand. Anyways, here's the repair mech center torso. Okay, so here is the rifleman, and we're gonna try to repair it. It's just 6. Let's do it with 5. It's fixed, and then we're gonna do it with this a 5 again. Oh no, that was a 7. I got lucky. 12. So okay, that repaired it. Reattach left arm. Left torso is blown off, so there's no reattaching it. So we'll repair the medium laser. It's 100 minutes. Let's get the green guy to do it. We'll also do repair this fusion engine, which, hey, let's let the green guy do it. 6 is not bad. We repaired it, and this will sell for a lot more. I don't remember what but repairing that engine, that's a big deal. And so this rifleman now is probably worth a lot more. It was probably under $1 million before, and now it's 1.8 million. So let's go ahead and sell the rifleman, and then we're gonna go and check out the dragon. Let's repair the center torso. 9 is not a good. Let's say, I think I want a 6. What? Oh no, we cannot afford to do 270 minutes. Okay, let's do this again. Mech center torso. Okay, we got 6. We managed to repair it. Right torso. What is the 270 minutes? Okay, let's do it. We managed to do it. This is bad hip or shoulder, so this needs to be scrapped. But let's just reattach left shoulder. We have a center torso, we have a right torso, but the left torso is gone. So repair mech right leg. So we'll use this. So we repaired it, and then of course, how much was it selling for, this thing? 400,000. Yeah. Let's go repair this. It's a 5. Let's do it. Repair this gyro too. Yeah, let's repair gyro with a veteran. Oh no, don't do this to me. Okay. Let's repair this medium laser. Green guy will do it. Let's go ahead and salvage this. 90 minutes to salvage. We'll do that. And then we're gonna sell this as is. And it's going to, it was hundreds of thousands, right? It was a few 100,000, but now it's going to be worth over $1 million. Yeah. So we'll sell this, and then we're going to the warehouse, and we're going to look for damaged. Okay, so now we got a lower leg actuator, 60 tons. And let's put somebody on it. Let's put this person on it. We paired it. We'll go look for all, and we won't mess with it until later. So we managed to make some money, and we completed the mission. And oh, what? Didn't I just do it? Oh, okay. Well, anyways, I'm just gonna we finished this mission for sure. So I'm gonna advance. I'm gonna advance a day. Okay, and then we will also let's see, aerotech, soldier, personnel. We need a gunner, I think, and let's see. No, we still need to go. Let's advance a day. Nobody good. I can see nobody good. This guy's reliable. He's pretty, actually not bad. Let's go to personnel and double check on my mech warrior. How many mech warriors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so I already have my limit. So I can't hire anymore, unfortunately. But anyways, we will also what am I doing now? I'm just gonna advance a day. That's right. And the lance returned. Infirmary. How's this guy? He's still got a few days to go, right? Just a few days left. Chest puncture. Yeah. And we'll go ahead and go to the repair bay and repair our it's just armor and stuff. So let's go ahead and do all the let's go repair this. Let's go ahead and repair this. Oh, I didn't do it. Okay, let's go repair this. Okay, so we repaired everything. Let's check lamb pilot. No, we don't need a lamb pilot. He's not, I mean, she's not bad. Is that she? Yeah, she's not bad. Look at this. Gunnery 4, mech piloting 3. Yeah, we're not gonna hire no land pilot. Oh yeah, vehicle gunner. Vehicle gunner. No, nobody good. So repair bay. Let's go ahead and advance a day. So that got fixed. So nothing's broken here. That's perfect. Let's check out the personnel. Nothing good. We're buying ER medium lasers. That's good. We will need that stuff. Let's see. And let's go ahead and advance a day. And turnover time. Nobody wants to leave. Employer wants to deliver stuff. Yeah, we will do that. We will accept. Let's refined is offer vehicle gunner. I will accept a vehicle gunner. Aerospace, archery, small arms. This is an aerospace pilot. I don't need an aerospace pilot. And so let's check out personnel. Vessel crew. Nope. I need a vehicle gunner. And what's in the open market? This pack rat looks okay because it's so cheap and it's very fast. The Pegasus is pretty expensive, but it's got pretty nice weapons. Thunderbolt Crusader, yeah, Archer, Hunchback, Alarm, Hetzer, Prime Mover. What the heck is this? It's a tank. Wow, I've never seen this. Saladin. I like these Saladins because it's like less than 1 million, and this thing has an AC-20. It's scary. What is the speed? It's 812. Oh, it's a hover tank with no armor. Okay, well. Here's a striker. I'm inclined to buy it. I kind of like it. Purchase it. Why not? It's cheaper by 40%. That's really cheap. Behemoth. Yeah, let's just buy this. It's got pretty decent armor. And this weapons loadout is pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy it. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna mothball it. We're gonna mothball it. Yeah, whatever. Because we have 2 scorpions and a striker already. So the second striker is just extra. And I don't have the mechanics to maintain it. I don't have like a 4 mechanic and So yeah, I would prefer not to. Maybe when I hire another one. So we checked out unit. We checked out yeah, we checked out everything, and we got 9.798 million, 10 million, and we had to spend about 600, 800,000. Okay, so we made 9 million pure profit, about approximately. So that's nice. And we're gonna have to check out the personnel because we just got some experience. So that's a regular. 18 is not going to. Oh, green. This guy is going to administration. Yeah, let's do administration. And this one is 22 is not enough. 27 is probably not enough for elite. Here's a 26. That's not enough. 22. Nope. This green MekHQ though. All right. It's a regular MekHQ now. Okay. So this regular MekHQ is going to veteran. Nope. Nope. Here's a 31. MekHQ. Yes. Let's make him an even better MekHQ. I don't know why they get administration. I don't think it does anything. I mean, I've seen MekHQs with only MekHQ and no administration, and they do just fine. So oh, this guy is a veteran. This guy's a regular though. Let's see what we can do. No, she's a veteran. Okay, that's good. 20 experience. I think this is enough to this is a MekHQ. Yep. Piloting. Yep. That works. Oh, this is a veteran. Okay. Gunnery 30. Piloting 25. So that's an elite. This one, no, it's not enough experience. Not enough experience. This one. Yeah, I think this one is... Yeah, I don't know what to make of that, but she's a really good leader, though. Like, who has leadership skill? This one has leadership skill. But leadership 6 is pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's like the highest leadership I have on it. But, well, let's not worry about that for now. This is a regular. Oh, yeah. She's the one that I was working on. But Not enough experience to. Okay, Scorpion Light Tank, the vehicle driver. We're going to go to piloting, improve it. So now that's a veteran. Okay, we did our skills stuff, and we got some free stuff from the Free Worlds League from the contract. And let's go. Go ahead and push a day. Ooh. Nope. We need gunner. Would be nice to get a gunner. $92 days, 136, and 144 minutes mothballing. Okay. Nothing good. We got another mission. Let's go check it out. This is Turning Point mission. It says 7/7. Today is 7/4. In 3 days. This is a the enemy is green. Okay. They have a little bit. Okay, here's the main force in the northwest. So this is 6,000, about 6,000 BV worth, and Free Worlds League is bringing 2,000. This cold mountain cliffs. Your mission is to serve as a decoy, draw the attention of a large enemy force while our allies carry out critical objective elsewhere. The enemy must believe you are the primary threat, forcing them to commit their forces fully to your position. Your task is to survive for the designated duration, or if possible, eliminate 75% of the enemy force to break their will. The engagement is about endurance, misdirection, and tactical maneuvering. The enemy will press hard, believing you to be the key target, but you must endure. Use the terrain to your advantage, control the pace of battle, and engage only when necessary. If you hold them long enough, our allies will complete their objectives uncontested. Should you succeed in routing 75% of force, they will lose cohesion and we will control the battlefield at the end of the engagement. This will allow us full access to any salvageable assets left behind. Victory here will not only ensure the success of our allies, but also give us a chance to recover valuable battlefield resources. Hold the line, weather storm, and outlast them. If they break, the field is ours. An enemy mech commander has been spotted. Destroy them. Orbital defense. An enemy mech officer has been spotted. Destroy them. Your employer has deployed you alongside an integrated force. Engage the enemy forces +2. Destroy +2, so -1 if failed. So this is a +1, and this if we get this objective, it's +1. I don't think we'll be doing this, because it says what? How many turns? 12 turns. I don't think we'll. I'm not sure, but I don't think it will take 12 turns to destroy them. So, and this is a mountain or something, mountain cliffs. So my guess is the best mechs for the job would be medium light mechs, and so it's going to be the combat lands, and we'll bring along somebody. We should really bring these two and get their experiences up there, but this will be the more useful one for this mission, I think. And so let's check it again. I need a vehicle gunner. That's what I need. So anyways, let's go ahead and advance vehicle gunner. Should I hire this? We don't have any, I don't see any vehicle gunner. This mechanic's still here. Okay, today is the day, and I don't see anything I really want. Okay. And we are waiting for the Shadowhawk, 88 days, and also for the Archer C Mark II. And let's check on the hangar real quick. We're going to be deploying these. These are 14 days away. And so let's take a break here, and next time we're gonna do this mission, the decoy engagement. Thank you for watching.